baby happily went to Papa. Papa, you know, baby called. The baby one time she was asking chickens. Chicken, do you know what about your eggs? Papa, she asked. What is the matter? I have my chicken eggs and they're gone. Yes. They're gone.
Who's gone?
The eggs are gone.
Oh, the eggs are gone. Somebody collected the eggs.
Where
From the
are
chicken?
the eggs in here? Who needs the eggs?
It's a little orange one, right?
Where is it?
You want Grandpa try to find it? Oh, look! I found the eggs. I thought that was orange. It's brown.
Hey, Grandpa, where's Buzz Lightyear?
Gussie's got Buzz.
Thank you for finding my eggs, Grandpa.
What's that, sweetie?
Thank you for finding my
You're welcome. You're very welcome.
Very welcome.
Grandpa was looking for the wrong color.
What?
Well, I thought it was orange. I thought it was kind of like this color. The block was that the eggs were on. But actually, the eggs are on brown.
And so, she went on the eggs
And you do have it on the chicken coop, right? Oh, good job, Doodle.
she sat on the eggs for
Good job.
Say, I will. Guys, the birthday party is starting, so pick down chicken. You can come. Oh, honey, wait. She got my dad with the sugar. Said that she would. And the one cleaner can tell. The one cleaner put up the stockings and some chicken. Can I chicken come up there? Yes. We invited over to the photo. The chicken wanted egg. She said that she could keep, and she got chicken. Everywhere they came, the farm. Her baby was caught before home. Her mother said that she saw the chicken and laid her eggs, and the baby said, Papa, the boyfriend said, hey, join the friends and in the white. See that? Medium, guys, it's time for starting this lesson. I have a giraffe that has a problem in the circus. Someone's riding a smaller hat riding on it. Join the fun stuff, yes? Yes?
What does Buzz say?
Yes.
Here.
Hi, Dennis.
What does Buzz say?
Mm-hmm.
To
Infinity. Oh, what is that? They be safe. Where's the
Lightning? He's right there. Lightning McQueen's right there, hon. Right by your truck. See Lightning? Yep, there you go.
And get out the meeting. Move. And move and bunch someone. Bunch someone. I'm on the roof. On the roof.
Are you gonna ride on the roof?
And lightning too.
Lightning too?
Roof.
You and Lightning? Wow.
After bye. After so soon. Dinosaurs. Dinosaurs were there. Dinosaurs were there. Dinosaurs. Oh no. I'm lost in forest. Oh, I'm lost in forest. Oh no. Run out. Run out. And run out. Run out. Run out. Run out. Stop. Run out. Run out. Be fun.